Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we finished our presidential shake job up around 4:30 or 5 last night. Asked the homeowners if I could come back this morning, good light, get an overall completion picture of what we did. Very happy with how this job turned out. These are presidential shakes in aged bark. Guys painted the electrical masts, all new zip boots. Got CertainTeed cedar crest hip and ridge caps. These are specific for the presidential shake line. It's a heavy double laminated cap. Shingle over vents. Guys did a fantastic job on the layout pattern. Very happy how that turned out. Had Macon Metal get us some W Valley metal and burnished slate. Complements the shingles without distracting from it. This is an 82 square job. We started it Monday morning at 7:05, finished it Tuesday at 4:30. Pretty good showing, full tear off. Did some decking replacement. We replaced this heating and air vent stack. All new metal there. Storm collars on all our vent pipes. Put a big tarp over the pool. It's nice and clean. Reflashed the chimney. 29 gauge metal. Great lines. This is a beautiful shingle. And complements this amazing piece of property that was such a treat to work on. So that's our completed CertainTeed presidential shake job. Please give us a call if we can help you out on your custom roofing projects. Designer shingles, metal. We got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you the first time. We're Shingle Master certified, on-site job management. Crews have been with us since 2007. Georgia State licensed general contractor. And you'll get a product you can be happy with. 478-501-0102. Hope to hear from you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.